I posted a video here on how I got monetized on YouTube after 2 years of consistently posting videos on this channel. And I got a comment from a subscriber who asked me a question that once you verify your address, will you get paid from the day you got monetized? And I decided to make this video to explain the whole process to you guys, especially those who are also working towards their channel's monetization. Okay, so YouTube monetization is a whole lot of process that you need to understand how it works. First of all, you need to get the 4,000 watch hours, then 1,000 subscribers, and this is what is going to qualify you for monetization. They are going to send you an email telling you that congratulations, your channel is qualified, you are welcome to the YouTube Partner Program, you can now apply. Then you go through the application, which is the terms and the conditions. After reading it, then you apply. After applying, YouTube admins are going to go through your channel and review your content. Now, if your content qualifies to be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you are going to receive an email within 3 days to let you know that congratulations, your channel qualifies and now your channel is monetized. After that, the next thing, you'll be asked to connect your channel to your AdSense account. Now, after connecting your channel to the AdSense account, then your earnings is going to start reading from your YouTube Studio dashboard. If you are not monetized, you are not going to see the YouTube earning on your dashboard. But once you're monetized, you will start seeing that YouTube earnings. And once your channel reaches $10, they are going to ask you to verify your address, which is why they are going to send you a PIN for verification. Okay, and that PIN will be sent to the nearest post office in your area, depending on which location you give them. Okay, and normally the PIN takes like 2 weeks to arrive. And if it didn't arrive in that 2 weeks, you can apply to, verify your AdSense manually. So after the verification of the AdSense, now your channel is ready, the AdSense too is ready. Then they ask you to connect a bank account to your YouTube channel. It doesn't necessarily, you don't need to create a US bank account before you start receiving money on your YouTube channel. You can use your local bank account, which is why they verified your address. And every 21st of the month, they are going to send you your payments directly to your bank account. And most importantly, you have to know that after verifying your AdSense, you still need to reach at least $100 threshold before you start receiving payment. So guys, if you have any question concerning the YouTube Partner Program, Google AdSense, Google Ads, or any of this, let me know in the comment section. Whatever that you don't understand, let me know in the comment section, and I will make a video to explain it better for you to understand. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.